Sino po yung tatlong animal encounter po?
Bata po.
Tapos po may nakikita silang pellets na lumurutang dyan, kaya lang po nakain.
Eddie!
Jesus. See the albino turtle?
Eddie!
Pwede po siya i-touch.
Monday!
Rabbit house, food hub.
So, bali, welcome to Yoki Farm po. So, bali, Yoki Farm is composed of 10 hectare land, but currently is 4 hectares of food developed. And so, inside the 4 hectares, we have 3 major walking attraction. So, first, the vault or the museum. And second is the hydroponics and vegetable garden. And the last is the petting zoo, the exotic animals. And we have a newly animals lang din po sa loob po ng farm. Aming capybara and alpaca po.
Oh, copy
So, sino po yung tatlong animal encounter po?
Bata po. Sino yung pangatlo si Mama? Tatlong bata.
So sa animal encounter po, so pwede po sila pumasok po sa mga cages. So pwede po sila mag-feed and pet po ng mga kanina.
Oh, you can enter your animals and touch them for here. Iniwan ba dun?
Yung?
Pink na cat.
Anong pink na cap?
Baka nasa store. Binalik mo.
Anong pink na cap? I'm lost. I just went inside without knowing na no, may ticket.
stroller.
Ah,
Pinasok ba?
oh.
Baka
Inano ko na. In-install na ni... I didn't know this if may pink hat. Careful, babe. Look, oh, it's slippery when wet. Wow. Such a kuya. Can you read that, babe? On your right. What does it say? It's rabbit house.
Pwede na po dito after po nila dyan.
One day lang. Hamster.
Ay, hindi ba guinea pig?
Jel, can you bring the rabbit here? Closer? Ah, he's eating. Okay.
Don't push them. You're gonna scare them away.
Mga snatcher po yan.
I think they're all there inside. Yeah, you should not let the food go so that they
Pearl stinger. Koi.
Lang din, no?
Kanina biglang may humintod dun sa
Sa harap nyo?
express.
Oo.
Naka,
Naka...
limit meter niya kasi. Tapos bigla siya humintod.
Munti ano na kayo?
Kaso nga na po yung sa kayo so wala na pong feeding. So pinatigil po dito. Naging obese po yung mga Japanese babies. Kaya pinatigil po.
Sobra.
Laki niya.
wala sila masyadong exercise.
Marami na po kasi totally namatay gwapo ng overfeed.
Hmm.
Tapos po may nakikita silang pellets na lumurutang dyan, kaya lang po nakain.
Lang.
Tigil lang.
Kawawa na.
Spirit animal.
So yung mga live po dyan around 9 years.
You would lang, be. You would until you...
So slow.
Yeah. Come on, be.
Yellow. Try to dangle it. We'll try. Dangle it in front. Here. This one. This one's finished with his leaf.
Oh,
Here. In front of him. Dangle it and then he'll reach for it. You can see the big mouth. I think it's still busy.
Hold lang, you hold.
Can I have some? I'll wait for it to. It's busy.
Look, look. I made a flag.
Yeah, look here. Yeah. Yeah.
You can remove it.
Mari.
Mari.
Mari, smile.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Eddie.
It won't fit.
Eddie.
Jesus.
I'm gonna have more food for them.
Oh, more,
Yeah, yung kamay mo. They're all here. Just licking.
Yung dulo. Yan.
Oh, big one.
Yeah.
Nice. And it's already evening.
Mary.
Between a tortoise and a turtle, my boy. Don't you want to know?
I want to know.
Mari.
Turtle usually lives on water.
Oh.
Tortoise lives on land. They can't really swim. They get drowned. The vault.
Sa mga polite animals, pwede mo pasakan ko sa mga...
Oh. Hmm. You know what that is? You know the full spelling of the rhino, not just the.
Dinosaurus.
Very good. Rhinoceros. You know what that is? There are lots of statues. Makes you wonder. See the albino turtle?
Why is it like that?
It has genes that make it look white.
What?
It has genes that make it look white. That's why it's called an albino turtle. I think it's afraid though.
Don't forget me.
Buddha bee. Buddha. Greenhouse.
Guinea pigs or the bunny? Did you like the birds on the hair?
Is that a dog?
Are they strong?
What's a small horse?
Ostrich.
It's not a horse eh. What's it?
Oh, pony.
Small horse? No one's sitting down. Is that?
Want to see the zebra?
Oh, there, you asked for Kuya. Nicely, Mary. Can I have something?
You want to touch the zebra?
Ready?
Pwede po siya i-touch.
Money, wanna touch it?
Want to feed? Come on. Go, Biel. Eh?
Hold tight lang, kasi malaki.
Just I'll assist you.
I hold your hand.
Hold tight because they're. Oh, see?
Sobrang pareho sila.
No, don't throw it away. How can they reach it?
Pero yung stripe po nila, like a fingerprint po yun ng tao.
Ooh.
Money. I'll take your picture here.
Nakuha yung isa.
Good job, boy. Oh, come on.